Supreme Court has overturned a Trump-era ban on bump stocks. The gun accessories were declared illegal in 2017 after being used at a shooting in Las Vegas, the deadliest mass shooting in U.S. history. The Justice Department saying bump stocks could illegally transform semi-automatic rifles into machine guns. But in its ruling today, the court says the Trump administration didn't follow federal law when it banned the accessory. The Illinois ban on bump stocks is still in place, but today's controversial Supreme Court ruling is raising fears about surrounding states where gun laws are more lenient.
And WGN's Julian Cruz in the Auburn Gresham neighborhood with reaction.
Good evening. Father Michael Pfleger and his St. Sabina community stunned by the news as they prepare to march this evening in an effort to counteract gun violence. Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker at another event says the ruling will have an immediate impact.
I do think it's going to spur action at the state level as well as the federal level to try to once again ban bump stocks. Here in Illinois, we've already done that.
Governor J.B. Pritzker pointing to Illinois' bump stock and assault weapons ban passed in the wake of the 2022 Highland Park massacre.
It's really bad news.
Lake County State's Attorney Eric Reinhardt says today's ruling is a setback for law enforcement.
The Supreme Court majority has completely abandoned common sense and has abandoned our partners in law enforcement.
The Supreme Court voted in favor of gun violence today.
Father Michael Pfleger outraged and saddened by today's ruling.
What does that say about us?
Pfleger's Auburn Gresham community on the south side too often enduring the mayhem and heartache of rapid-fire gun violence. Pfleger and many others fear it'll only get worse with bump stocks still illegal in Illinois flowing across state borders.
I get in my car right now, drive 20 minutes to Indiana, get whatever I want.
This is madness.
U.S. Senator Dick Durbin today with harsh words for Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas, who wrote for the 6-3 majority opinion. Thomas arguing that, quote, "We hold that a semi-automatic rifle equipped with a bump stock is not a machine gun."
Rapid-fire weapons are not the answer to America's gun problem. And for Justice Thomas to be a leader in that effort is really disappointing.
The Gun Violence Prevention PAC sharing in that disappointment. Today's decision by the U.S. Supreme Court to strike down the ban on dangerous bump stocks is a step in the wrong direction. Participating in tonight's anti-violence march is recording artist Common, a Chicago native here to lend support to the St. Sabina community. In Auburn Gresham, Julian Cruz, WGN News.